Is your network connections folder empty? In this video, we'll show you 2 quick fixes to get it back to normal. If the issue persists, open the search menu and type Network Reset. Select Network Reset from the options. Click on Reset Now and confirm by selecting Yes. The computer will restart and your network settings will be reset to default. Open the search menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdens and press Enter. After flushing the DNS, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.